Fellow seekers, today we embark on a fascinating exploration into the world of quantum physics and consciousness. What that really means is the idea that beneath the surface of our everyday reality lies a universe teeming with pure energy, vibration, and information. This concept challenges our traditional understanding of the universe and reveals the remarkable potential of our consciousness. In the quantum realm, traditional boundaries between entities fade into obscurity. Here, conventional physical matter, as we understand it, ceases to exist. Instead, what we encounter is a dynamic symphony of energy, resonating with frequencies, vibrations, and rich layers of information. This phenomenon arises because, at a subatomic level, particles are not solid objects, but probabilities of existence that create patterns of energy. The fact that matter is mostly empty space becomes evident when considering that atoms, the building blocks of matter, consist of a nucleus surrounded by electrons that orbit vast distances relative to their size. If an atom were the size of a stadium, the nucleus would be no larger than a small marble, leaving the rest as empty space, which is actually filled with fields of force exerted by particles. Quantum entanglement, another fascinating aspect, demonstrates how particles can become intertwined in such a way that the state of one, no matter the distance from its partner, instantaneously affects the state of the other. This phenomenon suggests a universe where all things are interconnected. Moreover, in quantum mechanics, space and time themselves take on a fluid, non-absolute character. Phenomena like the superposition of states, where a particle can exist simultaneously in multiple places, or states until observed, challenges our classical understanding of a linear, unidirectional flow of time and a rigid, three-dimensional space. Now here's the intriguing twist. What if we could create from this quantum field of pure energy, rather than being bound by physical matter? What if we could tap into the wellspring of creation itself, in perfect alignment with the laws of the universe? Albert Einstein insightfully observed that the field is the only reality, emphasizing that it is not particles, but the underlying energy fields that dictate the behaviors of the universe. This perspective shifts focus from discrete particles to the continuous fields that permeate all of space. In essence, these fields, vast expanses of interacting energy, are the fundamental drivers of particle dynamics, not merely the backdrop against which particle interactions play out. This concept suggests that particles are merely local manifestations of these fields, which can be influenced by changes in the field's properties. By modifying the information encoded within these energy fields, we may have the potential to influence physical reality. This aligns with the principles of the universe, where the manipulation of field dynamics could lead to observable changes in the physical world, offering a profound connection between our understanding of energy and matter and our ability to interact with and shape our environment. Consider the colors of a rainbow as a compelling analogy. What we perceive as distinct colors are in reality various frequency of visible light interacting with what we refer to as stable energy, matter. This interaction illuminates a key principle. The phenomena we observe as physical and separate are actually unified at a deeper level. These colors do not exist independently. Rather, they are a manifestation of light's interaction with matter, shaped by its frequency. This interplay is a beautiful demonstration of the universe's laws in action, specifically the law of vibration, which states that everything in the universe moves and vibrates at one frequency or another. Everything from the tiniest atoms to the vastest galaxies is in vibrational motion. The visible spectrum of a rainbow, therefore, isn't just a separation of light into colors, but a vivid illustration of how varying frequencies influence our perception of the world. By understanding and applying these fundamental laws, such as the law of vibration and energy interaction, we can begin to see beyond the illusions of separation to the interconnectedness of all things. This knowledge not only expands our understanding of the universe, but also enhances our potential to interact with and shape our environment in more conscious and intentional ways. To achieve this, we must shift our focus. Think of your attention as a spotlight. Wherever it shines, your energy follows. Imagine redirecting your attention away from your physical body, your possessions, your relationships, and even the constraints of time. You transition from being someone, somewhere, and something to being no one, nowhere, and in no time. This is the moment of pure consciousness, where you detach your energy from the familiar and immerse it in the unknown. Visualize a universe stripped of all physical and material elements. No earth, no sun, no stars, just an expansive emptiness. Yet this void isn't truly empty. It's brimming with frequency and energy. While this concept may challenge materialist thinking, staying in this state, free from identity and history, triggers something profound in your brain. In our daily lives, stress and scattered thoughts can segment our mental processes. Stress hormones propel us from one distraction to the next, disrupting our cognitive harmony. However, when we redirect our focus to a state of inner stillness, this transformation occurs within the brain. It begins to operate in a more synchronized and harmonious manner, mirroring the law of resonance, a principle reflecting the coherent laws of the universe. This unified state of consciousness allows the entire brain to resonate at a consistent frequency, aligning beautifully with the universal principles of harmony and coherence. This coherence generates electrical signals. The clearer your intention, the more robust these signals become. Essentially, you transmit a signal from a synchronized brain. Here's the revelation. If you are the source, if you have transcended to pure consciousness, you're not sending the signal to a specific location. You're touching the consciousness of all that is, in perfect alignment with the laws of the universe. You become the creator of your own reality. This process extends beyond the brain. The heart plays a vital role. Love in its purest form serves as the cohesive force that binds all things together. A coherent heart, charged with energy, can draw the future toward you. Love functions as a magnetic field that attracts your desires, in sync with the laws of the universe. When your energy aligns with potential in the quantum field, synchronicities and opportunities begin to manifest. This is like aligning with the cosmic rhythm of creation, where the universe orchestrates a symphony of possibilities tailored to your desires. Akin to a master conductor directing a harmonious composition, all within the laws of the universe. In essence, you emerge as the architect of your life's design, a conscious creator of your destiny. This is a pivotal moment, for many underestimate the immense power within themselves. When you awaken to this truth, you set out on a path of self-realization and transformation that transcends even your most audacious dreams. Humanfluence out.